Okay, today we're going to perform here the determination of the titer of our Antisera. Okay, so since we are detecting here the Antisera, this is antibody. So our agent for that would be your red cell suspension. So ang red cell suspension natin came from a known B na patient. So we'll be detecting here the titer of your anti-B Antisera. Your anti-A Antisera here is color blue because of the Typhon blue. The anti-B Antisera is yellow na color here because of the acreflavin yellow. And we have here the anti-D Antisera is colorless. Okay, so in our procedure, the actual experiment, you'll be determining here dapat lahat ng titer ng ating lahat ng Antisera. But the available here na rescue suspension natin, rescue suspension is being done just like when we are doing your preparation of your red cell suspension. So, collect the blood, and then magwa-wash tayo 3 times, then compute for the volume ng wash PRBC, volume ng NSS, then you should have this cherry red na red cell suspension. Okay, so based on the table, your experiment and your activities, so beginning here, we'll be preparing here 10 test tubes. Okay, there's labeled here as 1:1, 1:2, 1:4. Okay, 1:8, 1:16, 1:32, 1:64, 1:128, 1:256, and we have here 1:5, 1:12. So, ang lalagay natin dito sa tube number 2, beginning for this one, okay, ang first tube wala siyang NSS. Maglalagay tayo ng NSS dito. Naglagay na ako ng NSS. 0.5, okay, 0.1 ml ng NSS natin. So this tube number 2 up to the last tube here. At lahat ng tube natin, beginning from tube number 1, maglalagay tayo ng 0.1 ml ng ating red cell suspension. So may nakalagay na siya. Okay, almost pareho sila ng content, only that yung tube number 1 ay wala siyang NSS. Okay, so on tube number 1, mag-a-add tayo ng 0.5. Well, okay, we'll check the procedure. Okay, we'll be adding here 0.2 ml of our anti-B, anti-Sera. So dito lang tayo sa tube number 1, mag-a-add ng 0.2 ml of our anti-B, anti-Sera. 0.2 ml is 200 microliter. Okay, so add natin sa tube number 1 lang. Okay, that's 100. Okay, that's 200. Okay, then after that one, i-mix natin siya. Okay, we try to seal this one with your power film. So, tube number 1 lang merong, okay, 0.2 ml na Antisera. I-mix natin siya. Okay, then we get a sample from this one. So, magdi-dilute na tayo. Okay, for this one, kailangan natin ng panibagong mga, okay, mga yellow tips. Okay, wait lang. Kukuha muna ako. Okay, so after natin ma-mix itong tube number 1, what we're going to do here is kukuha tayo ng, okay, 100 ml, ay 100 UL, or that's 0.1 ml. Okay, this is tube number 1, 1:1 na dilution. Kukuha tayo ng 100 UL. Okay, na-transfer natin dito sa tube number 2. Okay, so after that one, ang tube number 2, i-mix ulit natin. Okay, then try to mix that one by your power film. Okay, then kukuha tayo from here. Kukuha ulit tayo ng, again, 100 UL. Dapat nakamix siya. Okay, then ilipat natin sa next tubes, which is 1:4 na dilution. Okay, then panibagong tip ulit ang gagamitin natin. Try to mix it again here. Okay, then another one, kukuha ulit tayo dito. Still 100 UL. Okay, I'm going to transfer it to the next tube. Okay, and so forth. Yun ang gagawin natin until makarating tayo sa last na tube. Okay, then kuha ulit ng 100 UL. Okay, after that one, we're going to centrifuge each of these 10 test tubes. So, 30 seconds lang na centrifugation ito dapat. Okay. Okay, so after centrifugation, so ito na siya. Okay, so when you are interpreting here for the agglutination reaction, you need to resuspend muna. Okay, so do not interpret directly from the centrifuge. So after centrifugation, you need to resuspend your agglutinates to have here an accurate interpretation of that. Okay, for the interpretation, so you can look pag ganon sa taas against the light. Okay, for this one. Okay, we're going to interpret na. Okay, tube number 1, the 1:1. Okay, so 1:1. okay, that one, would have your 4 plus na agglutination reaction. Okay, tube number 2. Okay, tube number 2, the 1:2 dilution, 1:2 dilution here would have a 3 plus agglutination reaction. Okay, next we have here the 1:4. Okay, 1:4 na dilution. Okay, so I don't know kung makikita natin. Okay, still have here, okay, a 2 plus agglutination reaction. Okay, 1:8. Okay, our 1:8 na dilution would have your 1 plus agglutination reaction. Okay, next we have 1:16. Okay, 1:16 na dilution. Okay, 0 agglutination, walang agglutination. Okay, 1:32. Okay, wala din siyang agglutination reaction. Okay, 1:64, walang agglutination reaction, 0. Okay, 1:128. Okay, so walang agglutination. This one would have your no agglutination reaction. Okay, 1:256. Okay, no agglutination reaction. Okay, in the last tube, 1:5, 1:12 na dilution, no agglutination reaction. Okay, so based on our result here, so identify your titer. Okay, so we classify here or we identify the titer of your Antisera here as the highest dilution na may agglutination reaction, ang reciprocal non that become your titer. Okay, so that's need for you then to identify based on our results. Okay, so it's only here for anti-B, anti-Sera. So you could also perform anti-A, anti-Sera, or can also have here your anti-D, anti-Sera, determining the titer of that. Okay, but based on our experiment, so this is only for the titer of your anti-B, anti-Sera. Okay, thank you.